put a bigger base in here now and put some big pillars on here. That's what we're going to do, put some big pillars. So we're going over the existing concrete and shuttering it and putting some mesh in. And then again, I'm just bringing along here. But I've got the problem with those bees there, real problem. I'm just stung to death. So I don't want to do any more now. I'm gonna pack up. I'm gonna ask them to move the hive. I'm just trying to work with these bad boys. And I'm just gonna have to abandon it and come away from it. But that's where I'm at the moment. And we've got these done. And we're looking good. Good morning everybody. The rain has gone from yesterday and beautiful morning this morning. I can crack on. It was torrential, so it stopped play. So here we go again this morning. The sun's up, let's get on with it. Okay, I built the big pillar there. That's 6 foot above ground, 7 foot down in the ground. Now I've got to set out the second pillar because the gate's going on the same kind of pillar. So I'll pull the line right through, which you can see. Set out the pillar there on this new pad we built, and we're going to start building it. So I've set out the distance of the gate, 1.40 meters, and there's a new pillar, hopefully, well, it should be in line down there. Let me show you. There we go, set the pillar out. There we go, in line. There we go. going to take the wall to the end now, and I'm using the tape measure to measure from the pillar, and so I know that we're in course 30 bricks in that course. Sorry, it's 7 meters, so it's 31 bricks, and there's a step there which now I brought levels through. I brought levels through from down there, and it's worked in perfect. So I'm putting the line through like I'm doing, like you can see, so that I can get the lines right with this curve, and that the wall started to kick in a little bit there, so I've corrected it, and we're building down there. Build a corner down here now, down here, and then the pillar can go up and the wall's ready to go, and I'm nearing the end. A long wall. Okay, so that's what we're doing now, setting it out, getting it ready. Just before I build that pillar there, I want this wall in line with it, and this is the way I'm doing it. And so I've levelled through, used my levels through, up to the step here is perfect, and across to the end. Okay, so I'm going to start building. As you can see there, it's come to its step. We stepped up that brick like I showed you when we set out the foundations, and then to the top bricks up there, where I can build the corner up now and run in, and that's the end of the wall. Happy days. We set the pillars out, 1, 2, 3, and that's the end. Okay. Morning everybody, this is Chris again. This is on the build, and I just want to show you something from the setup. Starting the pillars again on this last bit, and if you can see here, they're all dead in line. There's 6 courses up here, and I've put a profile up here, and you can see with 6 courses dead on the queue. And so we're building up. I've got my old G-clamp, and it's on course here as well. So there we go. So that's to get this up, get these bullnosed on, and this section then is finished. these blue bricks, like you know, they don't like wet mortar because they don't soak it up like these drier bricks do. But for me, the key is to put plenty of additive in. But sorry, not plenty of additive, a double dose of additive. You can get that from your builder's merchant, and it adds a lot of air into the cement. It makes it really creamy and fluffy. It doesn't bleed the water over your brick. I'll show you. Put a good dollop on. Just being dead casual and rough with it. There you go. And then we'll bang it onto the brick. When it's enough to squeeze out, not mark the brick. So you get plenty on, slop it on. Just being really rough with it so that you can see it hasn't gone onto the brick because there's a lot of air in it. Slop it on. There we go.